Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix if your iPhone mobile data not working. Step 1. Turn mobile data off, then on. Go to settings, then cellular data. Turn off, then on. Try opening Safari or an app that uses the internet. This refresh the network connection. Step 2. Check cellular data setting. Go to settings, then cellular data options. Make sure data roaming is on if traveling. Check low data mode is off. Incorrect settings can block mobile data. Step 3. Restart your iPhone. Hold volume up plus side button. Slide to power off, then turn it back on. Or restart clears temporary software glitches that affecting your mobile data. Step 4. Check carrier settings update. Go to settings, then general, then above. If a carrier setting update pops up, tap update. Updates fix network connectivity issue. Step 5. Toggle airplane mode. Tap up to open control center. Turn airplane mode on, then off. This resets your iPhone's connection to the cellular network. Step 6. Remove and reinsert SIM card. Turn off iPhone. Remove the SIM card. Wait a few seconds, then reinsert. Turn iPhone back on. A loose or corrupted SIM can cause mobile data issue. Step 7. Reset network setting. Go to settings, then general, then transfer or reset, then reset network settings. This resets Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and cellular settings but keeps your data. This clears hidden network conflicts. And this is how you can fix if your iPhone mobile data not working. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.